Hello, everyone. After many years in the making, I have created a night cream that is incredibly luxurious with lots of cushion that provides extreme hydration. If you know my hand cream, Rich Girl, you know how rich I like my skincare. This fabulous cream has 9 amazing ingredients to revitalize, moisturize, smoothen, soften, and firm your skin overnight. The Cure Deep Repair Facial Night Cream has hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. But what makes it off the charts are the prebiotics. Prebiotics help feed the beneficial bacteria and protect the lipid barrier of your skin so that your skincare products can do their job properly. The microbiome plays a key role in healthy skin. Hyaluronic acid is the gold standard for moisture retention, an all-star hydrator. It draws moisture to your skin and helps hold it in for plump, dewy looking skin that feels soft and nourished. And vegan collagen helps bring back the appearance of bounce and resilience to your skin. Try it and discover how your beauty sleep starts with the Cure.